Using MongoDB as a data analyst is super easy. We just need to download MongoDB Compass, connect to our server, and query. So first thing is download the MongoDB Compass. We'll open the downloaded file. We'll wait a few seconds till it will complete its installation. Okay, next step is actually inserting your connection string. You should get it from your database manager or database admin. In our case, we'll use this connection string, which is connected to our lab, temporary lab environment, and we just connect there. We see this, we can connect our database. You can see we have existing database called me. And we can see that we actually have two collections in here, and we can actually query one of them. For example, the project. And we can use aggregation, for example, and count the number of records there. For example, you can see that there are 9 documents here. Okay, that's all. Super easy, super fast.